Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use Excel to create and maintain a weekly meal planner. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to merge some cells together. So if I go here, merge and center, and I'm simply just going to put weekly meal planner. So I'm just going to format this a little bit, center it, and make the font a little bit bigger. And now all I'm going to do is simply do day, breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. So as easy as that, and I'm also going to add in snack. So I'm just going to bold this now. And now obviously I'm just going to do the days of the week. Drag this down. So that's quite a useful functionality in Excel, where if you type in a day of the week and then drag it down, it will then follow the sequential order of the days that will follow from that date that you've entered into the cell. So I'm just going to save this now. So now, as easy as this, I can start to build my weekly meal planner. So for breakfast, I'm going to put in oats. For Monday, and then maybe eggs for Tuesday, and then I'm just going to rotate these throughout the week. And then do oats for Sunday. And then lunch, obviously we can put whatever we want to put in. And then again for dinner, and then snack, we can put whatever we want as well. So yeah, this is very easy to create, very easy to maintain. You can add additional aspects into this meal planner, such as the cost that it's coming to. You can have alongside your meal planner your shopping list that you'll need to be able to create the meals that you want to create for the week. So yeah, something that's very useful and something I'd highly recommend using. What you can then also do is, as an example, I'm just going to paste this across into the different cells, is then obviously then begin to filter on the certain meals. So if I go to filter, I can then filter on oats for the week. So obviously I can see for breakfast I'm having it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, and obviously I've copied and pasted it, but we'd have different meals for lunch, dinner, and snack. So if I now clear this filter, yeah, and we can also filter on days, etc. So yeah, something very useful and something I'd highly recommend using to monitor your meal planning and what you're eating throughout the week. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.